Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. If you have been following our content over the past week, you know that we have put out a substantial amount of content up to and including today, May 15th, 2025, during a live presentation shortly before the Final Pretrial Conference in Idaho versus Kohberger, expressing our concern that information that was under seal, subject to multiple orders entered by the jurist in this case, and potentially to the non-dissemination or gag order may have been violated because somehow the mass media got a hold of some information concerning such matters as actual video that they are alleging was of suspect vehicle 1, never produced in this case, and also records and information from Mr. Kohberger's alleged cellular phone, the 8458 phone, and other details that were intimate, that were important to the state's case against Mr. Kohberger, had somehow gotten out, notwithstanding the fact that there has been a non-dissemination order in place since January 3rd, 2023, as requested by State Lead Counsel William Thompson and Defense Lead Counsel Ann Taylor. Judge Hippler addressed this matter at the Final Pretrial Conference, that he would be entering orders to ensure that records were maintained and even broach the possibility of having a special prosecutor to get to the root of the cause and find out who was responsible for this leak. The court orders have now come out. They are very strong. One has gone to the defense. One has gone to the state. And in the one to the state, the courts found that it appears that this leak came from the state or law enforcement with people who are bound to uphold the law. The court has directed the state to submit a list of all people who have had involvement in this case, specifically as it related to possible access to video of suspect vehicle 1, the 8458 phone, records associated with the phone, records associated with Amazon, and personal information regarding Mr. Kohberger. He wants that information turned over to him within 7 days. He wants to ensure that no one overrides or engages in what's called spoliation of evidence by attempting to delete, to get rid of, to overwrite either digital information or information that is actual, that is physical. A similar order was sent to defense counsel. The court is extremely concerned about this matter, that it will likely cost the citizens of Latah County who are picking up this tab, even though this case was transferred to Ada County, the jurisdiction of these crimes is Latah County. He's concerned that it will take extra time to try to seat a jury, that there may be a possible tainting of the jury pool and other matters. We will continue to monitor this situation, and as further facts come to rise, we will of course notify. If you have any comments, any questions, please leave them here. As always, thank you for joining us today.